बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि, संघं शरणं गच्छामि. Let us listen to the teachings of Buddha. Let us walk on the path of non-violence. Let us listen to the teachings of Shakyamuni. Let us walk in the path of peace. Let us listen to the teachings of Tathagata. Let us walk on the path of righteousness. Let us listen to the teachings of Gautama Siddhartha, the enlightened master. Let us relinquish self-ego. Know that he left his kingdom, his beloved parents and his beloved wife Yasodhara to walk on the path of non-violence, righteousness and peace. After 6 years, 6 weeks of intense meditation, Gautama Siddhartha attained enlightenment under a peepal tree in Bodh Gaya, Bihar, India. Gautama Siddhartha gave first wisdom message at Sarnath after enlightenment. Although